The most important piece of technology in a real estate office is the MLS, short for Multiple Listing Service. Each area has a local MLS that acts as a central database of listings for the area. This allows agents to post listings and share information about listings with other agents, and is the official mechanism that makes the offer for the Co-op Commission legal and binding. Posting data to the MLS has been an industry standard for a long time and accessible to qualified agents who pay the associated fees. In most areas, the agent must join the local Realtors Association, but some states do allow licensees to pay to have access to the MLS without being a member of the association. Over time, other more publicly accessible websites, known as listing syndicators, have emerged that operate in a similar way. Some of these include Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, and there are new ones popping up regularly. Even if your agent prefers to handle the MLS listing themselves, they may want you to ensure their listings are posted to these other sites to expand exposure for their listings. Many brokerages have syndication agreements so that all the office listings that are posted on the MLS use an auto feed to add listings to these sites. Your role in this may be to post, update, or ensure that each listing is posted to the sites they are supposed to be without error.